Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to share someone's Mastodon profile to other apps. We can do that by automatically sharing it or by copying the link and then pasting it in the chat that we want to share it to. So for example, let's scroll down and we want to share Mr. Spock's profile. So we're going to click on his profile picture. It's going to take us to his profile. Then we're going to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then we're going to select share. As you can see, now you have the option here up to directly share it to Instagram, Facebook, or wherever. Or you can just click on the first option below the icons that says copy, and their link from their profile is copied to your clipboard, so you can go and paste it or share it with whoever you like. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!